describe the PCB part, this Pantapat, I'll tell you where the components are first. Starting with STM32 right here. Motor and our headers right here. There's two output for motors to go back and forward, and ENA and NB for the encoder. This is the motor driver, the red one below the battery. There's switch 1 and 2, left and right. LED 1, 2, 3, right here on the bottom left. For the IRs, is on the picture above. The top one is the receiver, and the bottom one is the emitter. This is the receiver, and this is the emitter. And the last one is the power header. Is over here between motor driver and the battery, over here.
For the programming part, we have to firstly determine all the pins according from the PCB. For the coding part, at first here we just define all the variables we're gonna use. The most important one is the max and min value, which we have to read the sensor values for white and black surface and pin in like the maximum and minimum sensor values. Moving on to this one is a motor function, which we like make the values to insert it and can like control the left and right motors. For the read function is the function for reading sensor values. And this is the PID for the line following. And then after we have like the function for line following, we make like condition like this one, which makes the robot stop when they made like the cross line. And we make another function when the robot so the robot can track in a specific time that we determine. And then we use all of the function we made to like build up the track for our robot here.
Okay, so for our method and procedure, our first week we're gonna receive the component and first meeting to discuss about the project. Our second week we're gonna start to assembling the component and transferring a bad component part to get a new one. For the third week we're gonna start to programming the code for the sensor and motor, then start debugging. And for the final week we're gonna tune the PID value and start to test run on the real track.